I'm gonna go up. Susie! Susie! Yeah, bud. Yeah. There's gonna be a storm, Sue. You're scared of storms. I know. I know. I know. It's scary. Yeah. Woo! Whee! Susie! Oh! Crap! Oh, yeah, bud. Yeah. Woo, that was kind of a... Yeah, bud.
Teacher!
Yeah?
How's it doing?
Good. Can I sit with you? Yeah! Preston, guess what I'm trying to do? Trying to catch lightning on video.
Well, this is a good spot if you want to get hit.
This is what I mean by how I got a power out.
Is it raining now?
I mean, it's sprinkling. Look at Zeus over there. He's scared of the storm. Look on my phone.
Inside.
No, Sean brought him out. Oh! Listen, this thunder's gonna be loud. 3, 2, 1. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Look at Zeus.
Go put him inside, please.
Why?
Is it scared? Sit right here.
I can barely get a good view of it. Post it. Post it on the side. That cloud right there is gonna get. Ooh, that wind.
Look at Zeus.
Oh my God! I'm gonna go see if it's raining.
Go put him inside.
So that's what Sean's doing. Sean, how's it going?
Is your mom home?
No.
Where's she at?
Store. I already got like a door and stuff ready.
I can feel raindrops from
Me too.
under here.
Hey, look at that. Woo!
Did you catch it?
Yeah, I caught it. Post it. Post it on the side.
No, that's not good. Post it.
Look at that cloud.
Post it in front of the tribe.
I'm gonna catch a good big one. Oh shoot, there's like a funnel right there.
Can you hear that voice?
Oh, you see that one? Right there was literally that lightning. Oh! Ah! Oh my God, do you see that lightning? So a tree.
How is the raindrop coming right here?
So a tree already got knocked down.
You know where it's from?
Post it. Post it. Post it.
Oh, you hear that? You heard that tree snap?
Yeah. Crap. Low battery.
Dude, I just saw Sean's light just go out here.
Oh no! phone dies, let's use yours. If I don't catch one.
Dude, it's pouring.
I know. Oh, there's severe lightning now. I just called.
How are we gonna get covered? Oh, no, it's just
That's pouring. I'm going right here.
Dude, you just see the lights go out?
Yeah. The lights just went out. How come Sean's lights aren't out but ours are? Well, Sean's is. Sean, yeah, you're at my house.
Start to pour now.
Post it. Post it on the side.
It's not the side, the tribe.
I could say how. Oh, those birds are skirting away.
Oh, I'm getting raindrops.
Oh.
Here, stay right here. You don't get them.
Should we go in the window and try to get this?
No, just go right here. If you stand on here, you do good.
Jesus, bro. I'm so scared about Zeus.
See, look, it's getting worse. Right here, we're good. Your lights just went flickered.
Bro, do you not see that lightning right there?
No.
Right there was a freaking full strike down on the ground.
Oh, I'm getting.
Oh, my phone! Ah! Whoa! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Ah! Jeez, I'm actually kind of getting scared. Should we go inside?
Oh.
Soon?
If it gets really, really bad, but I don't want to see this.
Yeah.
Were you south when I had to go in?
What? Oh, lights are back on! Yeah!
Not this one, though.
Not that one, though. The biggest one obviously isn't off. I need to get a good
Look
clip.
at Zeus.
Actually, no. Look, he just did a full circle.
Your lights just flickered.
Most of the lightning is like right there. We're gonna like
I
face
can't. There goes a tree. Hey, stop.
Can I have some privacy? Oh, this is making me have to go to the bathroom.
God, you gotta go like this, TJ.
This is the bathroom after Taco Bell. I hear an ambulance.
Look at my basketball net.
This is what happens, Clouds, whenever you drink too much Pepsi. Piss yourself.
I need to go pee.
Me too. Sean! We might need to go in soon. Do you dare me
Are
to run
those
out
girls
there?
still riding their bikes?
Oh, our lights just flickered. Do you dare me to run out? Oh!
Is it bad?
Oh, yes.
I don't have any shoes on, so should I just do it?
Yeah.
For the memes?
Yes, go. Go.
I'm gonna let you go! My socks are soaked.
Oh, my God. Oh!
Take off your shoes when you get in right immediately. Are your socks wet?
I need to go to the bathroom. Shit. Oh my God, our lights just flickered. Look at Zeus, he's like, I need to take cover, bro. I need to take cover. Oh God! You dare me to run over and back? Oh my God. This is why, Clouds, you do not drink too much Pepsi. Kids at home do not drink this much Pepsi.
I'm eating it. Are you getting beamed right now?
Yes! Bro, I'm at 1 HP. Look at my roof.
If we get hit one more time, we're dead.
What do you mean?
Fortnite, 1 HP. Not yet, I'm not getting hit. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, I'm getting licked. I'm getting licked. They just licked me. Oh.
Dude, look through here. Look through my window.
Oh.
Should we go in?
Yeah.
No.
Stop, car.
We're getting
Post
lit.
it. Post it. Let me take a. I got soaked. No, my video will get stolen. Look at that. There's just water spinning on my driveway.
I dare you to run out in the street.
Imagine playing Xbox right now. Just keep on getting power outs. No! Yes! It's a 1v1! No! Then the other guy was just like, what just happened? How do you... Then it says... Power out.
We're soaked. Should we just go?
Look at Sean.
Sean's going in.
Yeah, Sean's going in.
Sean's like, I'm tired of this.
Yeah. I'm not. It's fun.
I need to take a piss.
Me too. Sean! Ah! Hey, at least I don't have to take a shower today.
My socks are soaked.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take them off immediately and grab my feet off. You take your shoes off immediately? Or your socks gotta be wet. Going in the street! Do it!